So children, I'm sure you all must be ready with your copies, maths copy. So first let put date. What is the date today? It's 11/8/20. 11th August 2020. Okay. So today we are going to write numbers in words from last we have done from till 50, 41 to 50. So today we will write 51 to 60. Okay. So write here I and in. Take one finger gap and write WORDS. Words. In words, here put a bracket and write 5151 dash 6060 bracket close. So this is bracket, I told it dash. So bracket and bracket close. Here write C dot W. Okay. So here write T O 2. T means tens, means 2-digit number. O means ones, means 1-digit number. Tens, ones. Okay. So we are going to start from 51. Right. 51. Touch the lower line. A small dash. What is the spelling of 50? F I F T Y. 50. FIFTY 50, a small dash, and you will start here with a small letter, not a capital letter. Still many of you are writing and starting the second number from capital letter. So don't start the second number from capital letter. Start with small. Right, small O N E 1. 51. Now dash 5 to 52. Children, write with me. Right. F I F T Y. 50. A small dash. Say and write. T W O 2. 52. Now again leave the block. 5 3 53, a small dash. Write F I F T Y. 50, a small dash. Write T H R E E. 3. 53. Now leave the block. 5 4 54, a small dash. F I F T Y. 50, small dash. Right, F O U R. 4. 54. Now leave the block. 5 55. Now F I F T Y. 50, a small dash. Right, small F I V E 5. 55. Leave the block. 5 6 56. Right. F I F T Y. 50, small dash, small 6, small s I x 6. 56. Now leave the block. Write 5 7 57. A small dash. Write F I F T Y. 50. Small dash. Now small 7 E, small s E V E N 7. 57. Now again leave the block. 5 8 58. A small dash. Write F I F T Y. 50. A small dash. Write E I G H T 8. 58. Children, say and write. Leave the block. Write 5 9 59. Write F I F T Y. 50 50 dash N I N E 9. What comes after 59? Leave the block and write 60 60, a small dash. What is the spelling of 60? Do you know the spelling of 6? Write 6 S I X 6 T Y T 6 T. Okay children, so let's revise spelling one more time. 51 F I F T Y 50 O N E 1. 52 F I F T Y 50 T W O 2. Next 53 F I F T Y 50 T H R E E 53. 54 F I F T Y 50 F O U R 4. 54. 55 F I F T Y 50 F I V E 5. 55. 56 F I F T Y 50 S I X 6. 56. Next is 57 F I F T Y 50 S E V E N 7. 57. Next 58 F I F T Y 50 E I G H T 8. 58. Now the next is 59 F I F T Y 50 N I N E 9. 59. And the last is 60 S I X T Y 60. So children, please write these spellings in your fair copy. Learn these spellings and send me your copies for correction. Okay children?